Wala namang sinabi ang Basilan kahit may mga PBA veterans tulad nila Alex Cabagnot at Jerby Cruz. Dito sa Pasig City, tinapos lang sila sa final score na 90-84. Mukhang inalat yata si Cabagnot sa laban. Tara, watch this highlight recap mga idol.
Making and yan ang hinahanap nitong Basilan.
Knocking down his first basket. Mancalo pull up, good. And those two, I feel like they have found that chemist po sila dito. Batak, back to Tamayo. Multiple pump fakes, up, strong for the basket. Mancalo. Great cut. Concepcion off the glass and in. One, Kaduyak. Ganda nun pasa. Dagangon can't hit it though. Grabs his own miss. The floater will drop. Mancalo. Sa kanan, Gab Dagangon sets his feet, fires, and buries a three. Silan. Oh, great look. Supal pa lang inabot, pero may foul. Pasturan receiving the pass from Jerby Cruz. Shot clock winding down. Fadeaway jumper by Pasturan. Oh, that's a
second miss from 3 para dito kay Alex. Oh, Keith using all the experience.
Turnover though. Jagars onto the front court against Alex Cabagnot. Lays it up and in.
Basilan respected yun. So pretty much inside plays like this.
Jerby Cruz.
Quickly nakita mo si Lester doon. Nilocate kagad si Jerby. Alam niya kung anong gagawin. Oh, wow.
That was vintage Jerby Cruz.
Saan kami advantage? Yun ang magiging point of attack mo. Kanina, yung atake na yun. Ooh, what a cut.
41-32. Tamayo going right at Adi Santos.
Capable of shooting from there.
Tamayo sa loob. O Pasig. Dido, the pass. Manalang for free. Yes. Was already up by 18 points at around the 6-minute mark. And then Basilan behind Jimboy Pasturan. Gab Dagangon and Sherwin Concepcion.
Oh no.
Pasturan is heating up here for Basilan.
Defender Robbie Manalang really close to that screen and Manalang takes it back.
Boy, the floater, no. First miss from the field from Pasturan. But they get the ball back. Cabagnot lays it up and in.
And that's